digitalization is everywhere. You see it here on the SPS exhibition in Nuremberg. And Schneider has built his own ecosystem. We called it EcoStruxure. EcoStruxure is a system which starts very low on a hardware level with connected products. These products are able to speak directly cloud-based. The next level are the PLCs, the controllers, the motion controllers. These are for controlling a machine, and these controllers are able to speak also directly with the cloud. We have web browser functionalities directly in these systems, and we take these PLCs to speak directly with the cloud. The next level what we have is visualization. Visualization, we can make it with small panels based directly at the machine. We can also use tablets, smartphones, or big PC screens. And the other level what we have in EcoStruxure are cloud-based systems like Wonderware. And Wonderware is to show the data flow in a production, and this production is not necessary to have at one place, at one location. We can use Wonderware to show systems all around the world. And this EcoStruxure ecosystem, it's not fixed on one business unit in Schneider Electric. We have machines, we have smart production, and we have also buildings, IT systems, and so we can handle the same philosophy, EcoStruxure, in different business units. And so we say EcoStruxure is so free and so adaptable and so flexible that we can use it in different applications. It makes the world easier to connect.